This is my trade recap from today, how I made 1,000 on a 50k eval. Looking on the higher time frame, we were so extremely bearish. I was only looking for shorts. Even though there wasn't many high time frame places to trade back into, like this 4 hours probably too far away for market to trade into. There's a chance that could always happen. And there was no 1 hour gaps above. All I wanted to see was, since we were so bearish, was just some manipulation. Resweeping this 30-minute intermediate high, and then I could take shorts down to these intermediate 30-minute lows, or which is also a 1 hour intermediate low. We were disrespecting this bullish 1 hour gap right here, but I didn't think that mattered, just because like high time frame just so bearish. There's us disrespecting this doesn't really mean much. I wouldn't be willing to take longs, so it was only looking for shorts. That's about it. Just wanted to see a resweep, and come into this 15-minute gap as well would be even better confirmation, and take shorts down lower. Market opens, and there was kind of a short opportunity right here. I didn't like it though. We were still in this 3-minute gap. I think that was the highest time frame gap. Yeah. And so just because it's right off a market open, I would want to see this get traded through. I wouldn't feel comfortable taking it even if we inverse the 2-minute and the 1 minute and we're displacing through. I'm not comfortable taking trades this fast into market open, literally 1 or 2 candles into market open, when there's a 3-minute right here. So, and on top of that, ES, I'm pretty sure, had already ES was in this 1 hour gap as well. Had just hit it at market open. So another reason not to get in this short right here. Anyways, I would be willing to take it though if we come back up, which, by here I was expecting us not to come back up and probably just hop off for the day, but we move back up and we resweep this high, which, if it's just even better confirmation, if we can resweep this high, and then get highest time frame inverse out, that's a perfect short. We have this 2-minute gap right here. So if we inverse that, I'm willing to take shorts. We end up inversing it. There was this big 1 minute though, and I wanted to see this 1 minute get inversed better than this, because at this time, I know you can't tell with the 1 minute candle, it was like really rejecting. It kept coming back down, rejecting, coming back down, rejecting. So I just didn't like the way the candle was moving. So I wanted to see a little bit more displacement. That could be just, bearish candle, or just showing displacement through. It doesn't even need to close down here. It just would be discretion, and taking it when it's just displacing through. So we start displacing through and took the short right around here, just when it came back up, came into this 1 minute gap, and then reacted off of that, and so that was enough for me to take shorts down here. My stops at the body, this candle, and then take profit at 1 to 1. And I would go break even either here or here. Let's see. I went break even here because there was already I could see us just sweeping this and moving higher, because we already left this beforehand. Like, honestly, this move down should have taken this out already, and so if we didn't there, I could see us just resweeping here and then moving higher. Anyways, so I'm in this short right here, chopping around for a bit, and then tank, did think for a minute we were gonna get a break even, but ends up coming through. Hitting take profit 1-to-1. Put me up 1,000 on the 50K eval on the day. Up 2,400 on the account. 600 away from passing. Making profits back from, losing all my accounts, which sucked, but making good progress back. That's my trader cap today.